In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play mod packs with friends on CurseForge. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order to play CurseForge mod packs with your friends, you need to make sure that everyone has the same mod pack downloaded and that all mods are compatible and their versions are the same for everyone playing. So you can go to the CurseForge website or use the CurseForge app to look for the according mod pack that you want to play with your friends. Once you ensure that everyone has the same version of the same mod pack downloaded, you need to set up a Minecraft server that's going to be running the mod packs. You can either use the default Minecraft server that Mojang provides and host the server on your computer, which means that for the server to be up, it will need to drain resources from your computer and that might slow you down just a little bit. Plus, you need to be online in order for it to be running. They explain how to do this on the official Minecraft website. Just look for Minecraft server, or you can pay a hosting service like Server Miner or Apex Hosting. You can choose a plan on these websites and they will host a mod pack for you 24/7. All you have to do is pay a monthly fee. Server Miner, you just need to open up the installation prompt, and from there you can select a mod pack that you want to use. And in Apex Hosting, you just have to go to your server info page and scroll down into the File tab. I hope I was able to help you on how to play mod packs with friends CurseForge. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.